So simple. Right. Very good. Then go to the next. What is the bit number 6? It's a so simple bit. What is the bit is here? Simplify and give reason is clear. After that, what? Find the value of n in each of the following. Just what is here? Find n. So let's start. Yes, very good. Let's go to the next bit. Everybody. Bit number 6. So simple. Everything is depend on laws of exponents. Once you will know the laws of exponents clear, so simple this chapter. So that's why everybody focus on laws of exponents. Is it clear, students? Very good. Then come, what is here? Bit number 6. The problem is, what is in the first? The first problem, everybody observe, 2 by 3 all cube, right, into 2 by 3 all to the power of 5, that is equals to 2 by 3 all to the power of n minus 2. So what is the problem? Find the value of n in each of the following. Here you find the value of n. So simple this problem. Everybody observe. What is the given? You will know already. The problem is what? Tell me. 2 by 3 all cube into 2 by 3 all to the power of 5 is equals to 2 by 3 all to the power of n minus 2 is given. So you find what is here? What is the value of n? What is the value of n? So here observe this. It is looking like some. Yes, very good. What is here? Law. What is the law? Come on, tell me. This you feel an x. This you same. Then x. Here what is here? M. Here what is here? N. Then x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. You will know? Then yes, very good. Same. Observe here. What is here? 2 by 3 all to the power of, what is here? 3 here plus 5. That is equals to 2 by 3 all to the power of n minus 2. So why it is like this? Yes, reason. What is the reason is? X to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. That's why 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 all to the power of, what is here? 5. Then that is equals to 2 by 3 all to the power of 3 plus 5. Why here plus? The reason you understood? X to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. That's why. It's clear, friend? Very good. Let's come here. Then the 10 points. What is here? Yes. 2 by 3 all to the power of, result. What is here? 3 plus 5? 8. That's why 2 by 3 all to the power of 8 is equals to, what is here? 2 by 3 all to the power of n minus 2. Then here also it is looking like, yes, very good, students. What is here? Yes, here bases, observe, what is here? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Same, yes or no? Yes, very good. Then bases are equal. What about the exponents? Wow, very good. When the bases are equal, then exponents also equal. That's, you know the law? Very good. Then apply here. What is here? Therefore 8 is equals to n minus 2. Why, sir? X to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. That implies m is equals to n. The reason understood, students? So simple only now. What is here? Bases are equal. Then the time, what is here? Exponents also equal. That's why what is here? 8 is equals to n minus 2. Or what is here? N minus 2 is equals to 8. Is the same manner, you know. When the bases are equal, then the time exponents are equal. Is clear? Very good, students. Come here. The employers. What is here? Yes, n minus 2 is equals to 8. What find out? Yes, you want which value? Yes, n value. Good, students. Then you observe here n. That implies n is equals to already right side of is equals, what is that is? 8 is here. Then here minus 2. Then transfer that side. What is here? Once you are transferring them, plus becomes a minus, minus becomes a plus. Into becomes a divided by becomes an into. So here you observe n minus 2 is equals to 8, right? Then that implies n is equals to these minus 2. Send the right side. What happened? Yes, very good, students. Plus 2. Good. Then n is equals to 8 plus 2. That implies what is here? N is equals to 8 plus 2. What is here? 10. Therefore, the value of n is 10. It's so simple. You understood the student? Very good. Once observe here, 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. He has to what find? N value. Then first observe these two are x to the power of m into x to the power of n like. Then that's why what is here? 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5. Why 3 plus 5? You will know the formula? Yeah. Because x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. That's why 3 plus 5. So what is here? 3 plus 5 is 8. Then right side 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2 same. Then afterwards you observe in this step what is here? Bases are equal. Then next time definitely exponents also equal. That's why you will know already x to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. That implies m is equals to n. Okay. That's why what is here? You know 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Right. Then after what is the left? 8 is equals to n minus 2. Then here what find out? n minus 2. You will know already n minus 2 is equals to 8 or 8 is equals to n minus 2, right? Then LHS is equals to RHS, RHS is equals to LHS, you know. That's why n minus 2 is equals to 8. Then here you want only n, you don't want minus 2. Minus 2 send that side, here minus, then you send that side is a plus. Why? Because of negative is a positive, positive is a negative, right? Then after n is equals to 8 plus 2. Therefore, n is equals to 10. So finally, what is the n value, friends? Yeah, very good. N is equals to 10 is our solution. It's clear? Very good. Let's go to the next problem. Good. Note it. Yes, very good. Next, what is here? Sixth bit. In the second one, same. What is here? Find the value of n in each of the following. That is only now. Then observe here. What is? Go to the second. It's so simple. Right. Very good, students. Just you observe here two laws. One is x to the power of m into x to the power of n. Another one is x to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. When the bases are equals, exponents are equals. When the exponents are equal, the time base is also equal. You will know. Very good. Then go to the second. The problem second. What is here? Minus 3 all to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 all to the power of 5 is equals to what is here? Minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. Once observe, minus 3 all to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 all to the power of 5 is equals minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. What find out here? Yeah, very good students. Here also what is here? You find n. Where is n? Here, right? This value. Let's start our solution. Yeah, very good. Let's observe. Very good. So simple. The problem is minus 3 all to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 all to the power of 5. That is equals to minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. Right. Then after, what is here? So it is looking like, yes, very good students. Just now completed. Exactly. It is looking like x to the power of m into x to the power of n. Then the result is x to the power of m plus n. So go, yes, minus 3, right? All to the power of these n plus 1. And here, what is here? Plus 5. That is equals to minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. So what is here? Why this is? Because, what is the reason? Tell me. Because x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. That is the reason. That's why what is here written? Everybody observe. N plus 1, right? N plus 1 is a, you feel like an m, right? N, what is the reason? 5. So that's why n plus 1 plus 5. How you understood this? X to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. Is that clear, students? Very good. Let's come to here. What is here? Simplify one step in. What? Minus 3 all to the power of, here n. Okay, n. After this, plus 1 plus 5. What is the result? Yeah, plus 1 plus 5. Total plus 6. So that's why plus 6. How you get the 6? You understood? 1 plus 5 is a 6. So minus 3 all to the power of n plus 3. Then after, the right side, observe minus 3 all to the power of, what is here? Minus 4. So now here also, so simple, just previous problem, right? Last problem, what observe? Same. Yeah, what is Allah? Come on, tell me, students. Very good. Bases are equal. That's why what is now exponents? Yes. Then exponents also equals. When the bases are equals, then the exponents also equal. That's why what is that here? Tell me. Therefore, n plus 6, right? N plus 6 is equals to minus 4. Why? Because x to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. That implies m is equals to n. Why? Because exponents here, what happened? Equal. How? Bases are equal. Then the exponents also equal. That's why minus 3, you will know that the bases are equal. Therefore, exponents n plus 6 is equals to minus 4. Is it clear, students? Very good. Then that implies you what? Yes, you want n. That implies what is you want here? N only. You don't want this 6. You send the other side. What is that? Is transfer. What is now? N is equals to, only the right side, minus 4. Then this plus 6. Once you transfer, what is that result? Minus. Why? Because our plus becomes a minus, minus becomes a plus, into becomes a divided by becomes an into. Once you're transposing time, you will know that is symbols are changed. Yeah. Now you have plus 6. Then once you transfer this side, what happened? Minus 6. So therefore, the result n is equals to, what is here? Minus 4, minus 6. Two negatives only. Then what is that? Is add, but what is the symbol? Negative. Now what is here? 4 plus 6, 10. So what you get, the answer is minus 10. Is that clear? Our result is n is equals to minus 10. The first problem you get n is equals to 10. This second problem, what is you get? N is equals to minus 10. What is the differences you understood here? So simple, students. Once observe here, minus 3 all to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 all to the power of 5 is equals to minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. That employs minus 3 all to the power of, here what is this is looking like a x to the power of m into x to the power of n, then x to the power of m plus n. That's why n plus 1 plus 5, that is equals to minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. Then after that employs minus 3 all to the power of here n, here 1 plus 5 is you get 6. So minus 3 all to the power of n plus 6 is equals to minus 3 all to the power of minus 4. Therefore, you will know your one law. When the bases are equal, then the time is an exponents also equal. That's why n plus 6 is equals to minus 4. But here you want only n. So you don't want this 6. The 6 transfer that side. Here plus 6, you transfer the right side. Then what happened here? Negative. Then minus 6. Therefore, n is equals to what is here? How? You know, n is equals to minus 4, minus 6 you get, that is minus 10. So the result is minus 10. When minus 3 all to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 all to the power of 5 is equal minus 3 all to the power of 4, then n is equals to minus 10. So simple. Are you understood, students? Very good. Note down. Is so simple. Just we observe what is the two laws. One is x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. Other one, what is that is, you know, basis equals to, then exponents are equals. Then x to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. That implies m is equals to n. Is a so simple. Clear? Very good. Note down. Is a so simple problem. All right. Let's go to third problem. Right. What is the third problem? So simple. That is also clear. Right. Very good. Then go to the next one. What is the problem? So simple here. Everybody observe. So simple. You know the two one. One is x to the power of m into x to the power of n. Other one is x to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. These two last, you know, means this problem so simple. Is it clear? Right. Now let's go to the next problem. Yeah. Students, you properly listen, then so simple you are doing. You do you right, you are sure. Right. The next problem. What is the problem is here? Third problem. Right. 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. Wow, it's a good problem. Okay, it's important also, you will know. Right. Then what is here the solution? Everybody observe. The problem is what is that is, you know, the sixth bit in the third one. That is what is here. Then 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. So then here, what that 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by, what is here, 49, that is equals 7 cube. Then one thing you know here, 7 there, here also 7 there. Base is 7, but here what? 49, right? Then observe what is the change. Just you should write here like this, 7 to the power of 2n plus 1. What does this mean? By 49, that is equals, what is here? 7 cube. Here 7, here 7, here 49. Is there any chance to this 49 like a 7? Come on. Tell me. Your 49. We can also write like 7 what? Yes, very good, student. 7 square. Why? 7 7 ja 49. That's why 7 into 7. That meaning is what is that? 7 square only now. then 49 is equals to, simple here, observe anybody, 49, what does this mean? 7 into like 7, right? How? 2 times 7 into 7, that is 7 square only, no? 7 square, 7 into 7, right? 7 7 ja 49. That's why 7 square and 49 are both equal only now. So this 49 also you write 7 square. Any problem? Is that clear, everybody? Very good. Let's come here. What is now here? Same. 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by, what is the 49? Yes, very good friends. 49, what is here? 7 square. Then that is equals to 7 cube. You understood here? What is the change? 49. We can also write 7 square. Why? 7 sevens are 49. 7, how many times? 2 times, right? The 7 7 are only now. Yeah, like that. Now here, it is looking like, you observe the left side of this is equals what now here? Yes, it is looking like x to the power of m by x to the power of n. Am I right? Yes. Let's come here now. That implies x to the power of m minus n only now. Then what is here? You feel 2n plus 1 is m, then 2 is n. So what is here? X to the power of m by x to the power of n. That is equals x to the power of m minus n. Then what is here? 2n plus 1 minus 2. That is equals to 7 cube. Why, sir, like this? The reason is, come on, tell me. What is the reason is here? X to the power of m by x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m minus n. Is it clear? So simple. Students, here observe. What is here? 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by 7 square. It is looking like x to the power of m by x to the power of n. Then the result is, what is here? X to the power of m minus n. That's why what is the points? 7 to the power of 2n plus 1. It is like an m minus n. N replace what is here? 2. That's why minus 2. So finally you get what is here? 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2. That is equals to 7 cube. Now here apply another one law. What is law? So simple law. Here 7 or 7. So what is here? Bases are equal. You will know. Then the exponents also equal. That's law, you know. The before one step you simplify this is first better. It is, what is here? 7 to the power of 2n here plus 1 here minus 2. So the result is minus 1. Do you know already? Negative 2 there, positive 1 there. So the result is minus 1 only now. Then 7 to the power of 2n minus 1, that is equals to 7 cube. Now you have to, so simple. You observe here, when the bases are equals, then the exponents also equal. Is clear? That's why what is here? Observe. What is here? 7 7 gone. What is now here? 2n minus 1. That is only now. Everybody observe. That implies, what is here? 2n minus 1. Observe here. 2n minus 1. That is equals to 3. Why? This is because you will know already. What is that is? X to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. Right? That implies what is here? M is equals to n. When the bases are equal, then the time exponents also equal. That's why 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. That implies what is here? 2n is equals to, right side 3 already there. So these minus 1, you transfer the right side, what happened? Yes, very good students. Place. Why? Because you will know all transpose time. What is now? Place becomes a minus, minus becomes a plus. Now here -1. Then this side sign, what is now here positive. So +1 is clear. 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. This -1, you send that right side, what happened here? +1. After that, that implies, what is here? 2n, like 2n is equals to 3 plus 1. What is the 3 plus 1? Yes, very good. That is equals to 4. Now that implies, what do you want actually? Only n, not here 2n. You want only n value, no? That's why you don't want 2 is here. These 2 also transfer that side. What happened here now? N is equals to 4 by 2. Why, sir? Because here product right now is into. Then that's a transfer. What is now here? dy by, you know that by only now. Then multiplication is a division. So that's why here into 2. Here side you transfer by 2. Is that clear? Right. Then after, what is here? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So what is here? Therefore n is equals to, what you get the answer? N is equals to 2 is the answer. So simple. You understood here? Yes. Observe here once again, students. Note down. Just so simple. 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 49. That is equals to 7 cube. Right. Then after, what is here? 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by 49. Right. Divided by 49. That is equals to 7 cube. Then after 49, we can also write like a 7 square. Yes or no? Why? Because of 7 7s are 49. Then 7 into 7, right? X into x, x square. Same 7 into 7, 7 square. That's why replace of 49. What should I write here? 7 square. That's why what is here? That implies 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by 7 square is equals to 7 cube. Then what is here? That implies it is looking like x to the power of m by x to the power of n. That's why x to the power of m minus n only now. That implies 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2. That implies what is here? You will know. That is equals to, you know, 7 cube. After here simplify, simple. What is here? 2n same. But here plus 1 minus 2. Then minus 1. That implies 7 to the power of 2n minus 1 is equals to 7 cube. It is looking like bases, what happened here, are equal. Then that's why exponents also equal. So 7 7 bases are equal. Exponents what are? That 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. That implies 2n minus 1 3. What is that? Is, you know, 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. That implies 2n is equals to, this is the -1, right? Minus 1. You transfer that side, then plus 1. That implies 2n is equals to 3 plus 1. What is get? Yes, 4. But we don't want the 2n. We want n value. That's why n is equals to 4 by 2. Why? Here side is a into. Then transfer that side by. That's why 4 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Therefore, n is equals to 2 is our solution. Is that clear? So simple, students. Then what is you get in this is 6 bit. In the first one you get what? N is equals to 10 you got, right? And then after second you get, what is it? N is equals to minus 10. Now in the third one, what you get is here? Yeah, very good. N is equals to 2 is your answer. It's looking is a big problem, but so simple now. Are you understood, students? Very good. Keep it up. Come on. You clear over it? Very good, students. Let's go next bit. Okay. Come on, note it. Yeah, already finished.